everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 27th Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be talking about the Kotlin strings or the string data type in Kotlin programming language. So, whenever you create a string literal or a string, then you are actually creating an object or the instance of the string class in Kotlin. So now you can create a string by using this keyword var or vol. When you are using this var keyword, then you can change the value of the string, but when you are using vol keyword, then you cannot change the whole value of the string. Now we have this keyword, and after this we will have the name of the string and then a colon, and then we will have the data type string equals whatever value you want to assign within these quotation double quotation marks. So for example, if I write hello world, now this hello world is a string which is assigned to our string variable s. Now string is a sequence of characters. We have a character here, then we have another character, and so on. So the indexing of these strings starts from 0. So at location 0 or index 0 we have age, at location 1 or index 1 we have e, and so on. So now I can create a variable of character data type, and what I want to do is I want to access the members or the characters of these strings. So how I can do that? By using the index access operator. And what is this index access operator? It is these square brackets. So now ch equals, I want to assign the first character saved in the string. So the first character can be accessed by using the name of the string, and then we have the index access operator, and then it is pointing to index. So whatever I will write, for example, if I write 0, so the element or the character at index 0 will be assigned to this character variable. So now if I print ch, I will have h on the output screen. Run. And you can see here h is printed on the output stream. So now if you write ch s and -1, so this is out of range, and we will have an exception which will say that this index is out of range. Similarly, if you write any index greater than the indexing of this string, we will have an exception. So now let's do another thing. Now I'm going to do, what I want to do is here I want to print the string. So how would you do that? For loop, like we did in arrays or list or maps, and then I in s. So in the body of the loop, I'm going to have print line statement and I. So at first iteration I is h, at the second iteration I equals e, at third iteration I equals l, and so on. So when we run the program, we will have this string on the output screen. Each letter, each character in one line. So this is because we have used the print line statement here. So now here this blank space is also considered as a character. So you can see here that blank space is also printed on the output screen. Now when you create a string, it is an immutable string, and immutable means that you cannot add or you cannot delete any item from the string, or you cannot change this character from the string. For example, if I try to write s of 0 equals any other character, for example e, so you can see here that we have an error. So the strings in Kotlin programming language are immutable and you cannot add element, or you cannot change element, or you can say that you cannot modify your string. Now if you want to modify your string, you have to do it as a whole. Like here we have used the var keyword, and when we are using this var keyword, you can change the whole value of the string. But when you are using this vol keyword, which is l, then you cannot change the value of this string s. For example, if I try to write s equals any value, for example ast. So now I am actually doing is I am changing the value of the string s, which is giving me an error. Vol cannot be reassigned. So when I write var keyword, then everything is fine. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.